Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. Welcome back to our Dart programming series. In the last video, we have started with our first program, that is Hello World. Now in this video, we will see the data type and variables. First, variable. Variable is a container or a box in the computer's memory where we store our data. So variable is just a box where we store our data. So for example, if we want to store 22, so for storing the data, we also have to declare the variable name. So let's start with the program. So the data is 22 and the variable name is age. So we have declared the variable name as age and the data is 22. For storing the data, we also have to mention the type of the data. So the type of data is called data type. So the data type, we have to mention the data type before the variable name. So in this case, the 22 is integer data type. And at the end, we have to put semicolon. And yeah, we are good to go. So in this way, we declare and initialize the variable. So this is a syntax for declaring the variable and initialize with the data. Now in this case, the integer is the data type and this age is variable name and the 22 is data. So this is a syntax to declare the variable, that is data type, variable name, assignment operator that is equal to, and then the data, and at the end semicolon. Now we will see what happens behind the scene. When we declare the variable and assign the data, in the computer's memory some sort of space occupied and the variable name assigned to that area. So question arises, why we need a data type? So the space which occupied for the variable, the space is depend on the type of data. Different data type have a different size. So that's why we use data type. So now we take the another example. If we want to store Hatim Tekri. So Hatim Tekri is a string. First write the data, that is Hatim Tekri, then semicolon, equal to, now Hatim Tekri is a string, so just create name as a variable name and the data type in this case is string. So string name equal to Hatim Tekri. So string is the data type, name is the variable name, and the Hatim Tekri is the data. So in this way we create the variable and assign the data. Now the type of variables. In Dart we have three types of variable. First, static variable, instance variable, and reference variable. We will understand these types of variable in our further videos. Now we see the rules of variable. So there are certain rules for declaring the variable. First, variable name cannot be keyword. For example, in this case, if we create int string equal to 22, then it's give an error because in this case the data type is string, the data type is int, the variable name is string, and the data is 22. So the variable name which we have used is as string, it's not allowed because string is already a keyword which we use as a data type. So the first rule of declaring the variable is variable name cannot be a keyword. Now second rule, variable name cannot contain spaces and special character except underscore and $sign. So let's understand this also. If we write age of Hatim, so now make some space between age and of. So now it's given error because variable name cannot contain any spaces. Now let's put a special character, for example at the rate Hatim at the rate of age at the rate of Hatim. So this is give an error also, because special variable name cannot contain any special character except underscore and dollar sign. So now use underscore. If you use underscore, then it's fine. It's okay. No error. So the second rule is variable name cannot contain spaces and special character except underscore and dollar sign. Now the third rule, variable name cannot start with a number. We can put number in between the variable name, but variable name cannot start with the number. Let's see this. If we put one edge, then it's give error because variable name cannot start with the number. If you put 1 at the end of the name, then it's okay, no error. So it is okay to put the number in between or at the end of the variable name, but at the starting it is not allowed. So these three are the major rule of variable name. First is variable name cannot be a keyword. Second, variable name cannot contain any spaces or special characters except underscore and dollar sign. And the third one is variable name cannot start with a number. Now move on to the data type. As we have discussed that data type is a type of data. So in Dart there are number of data type which are integer, double, string, array, map, runs and symbols. In this video we will see integer, double and string, and the remaining types we will cover in our further videos. Every data type have its own keyword. For integer we have int keyword int. For double we have double keyword. For string we have string keyword. For boolean we have bool keyword, that is bool. So let's explore. First, integer data type, int age equal to 22. Then double data type, double a equal to 24.5. Then bool is right equal to So these are the data types. First, integer. So integer, in an integer we can store the integer value. For example 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now in double is for decimal values. If we want to store the decimal values, then we use double data type. Now string. If we want to store any string, then we use string data type. If we want to store the true false data, then we use a boolean data type, which is bool. Now let's explore more to the data type. Print age, click on the run button, and yeah, we are good to go. So to print the variable, we just mention the variable name inside the print method. Now let's try with the double value, which is a. Click on the run button, and yeah, we are good to go. Now put the name variable, click on the run button, and yeah, we are good to go. Now also try this boolean. Click on the run button, and yeah, it's print the boolean value also. Now let's explore more. My age is. Now we are putting the variable with the string inside the print method. Click on the run button, and yeah, it's given error because we are using the integer variable with the string. So to use the variable with the string, we have to convert the integer data type into the string. So let's convert the integer type to the string with dot toString method. dot toString. Now click on the run button, and yeah, we are good to go. So to use the integer variable in with the string, we have to convert the integer type into the string. Now let's try with the double is a. Now click on the run button, and yeah, we're good to go. Now let's try with the boolean. Click on the run button, and yeah, we are good to go. So to print the variable with the string, we have to convert the data type of the variable into the string format. Now in Dart, every data type is an object, so the default value of every data type is null. Let's check with the example. If we declare int age2 and not initialize with the data, print age2, click on the run button, and yeah, the output is null. So in Dart, every data type is object. That's why the default value of any data type is null. So in this video, we have discussed the data type and variable in Dart programming. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see the more concepts. Thank you.